Let's play this thing together.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Sweet dreams are made of these. Sweet dreams, sweet dreams, sweet dreams.
Hi Kang, happy birthday and sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Advance happy birthday sa'yo. And mag-iingat ka palagi at wag mong kakalimutan na nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo at we're here to support you kahit minsan, hindi minsan, madalas tayong hindi nagkakasundo. Tapos, pagbutin mo sa pag-aaral mo kasi alam ko na passionate ka sa ginagawa mo at alam ko magiging successful ka sooner or later at matutulungan mo yung buong family. Love you.
Happy birthday, Milka. Yes, as a SSC partner and friend, happy birthday and good luck sa college life.
18 ka na, kaya legal age ka na. So, alam mo na yung tama at mali. Mag-aral ka mabuti, andito lang kami para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
You're having fun with your past 18 years and sana maging successful ka whatever path you take. And sabi nila, tinotolerate daw kita, but I choose to understand you kaysa sasabihin nilang ito-tolerate kita. Happy birthday, Nak! And I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, hot and legal, our beautiful debutant, Milka Hamida Gonzalez.
I don't know what to say, pero I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. And just keep on going. Love mo always yung mama mo. That's all. I love you so much. That's all. Happy birthday, ma.
Siguro lahat ng nakikita mo ngayon, siguro alam ko kung paano ano yung pinakamagandang thanks or pasasalamat mo sa mama mo. And I'm looking forward for that.
Mag-aral mabuti. Apo ah! Oh, alam ko mabait ka.
Kaya pagbutihan mo pag-aaral para pag matapos ka, may katuwang na si mami mo. No?
And you're my cult leader. I love you forever. I love you forever. It feels
Happy birthday, anak. Dalaga ka na. Alam mo na kung ano yung tama at mali. So, magka-college ka na, magsosolo ka sa lugar na hindi ka pamilyar. Magpakabait ka lagi. Thank you sa pagiging ikaw. Love you!
Give me